Setting a bond in first appearance court is one very crucial thing that judges do. A county court judge sitting in first appearance court sets the bond on felony cases and misdemeanor cases that are not resolved right there. A judge can set a monetary bond, which the person can put up in cash or post through a bonding agency. The judge can also release a person on his or her own recognizance, which means the person just promises to come back to court. If your bondsman posts the bond for you, the bondsman is supposed to make sure you show up, because if you don't, the bondsman forfeits the bond he put up. If you post your own bond, you forfeit the money if you don't show up. The money you put up can also be used to pay court costs. As long as you show up in court, the money is still yours. But if you pay a bondsman to post your bond and the charges are dropped, or you are found not guilty by a jury, you don't get your money back. That's because the money you pay to the bondsman is essentially a contract between the two of you. You give the bondsman money and he gets you out of jail. How the case is disposed of after that doesn't change the fact that he got you out of jail, which is what you paid him to do. The judge can also refer you to pretrial services to monitor you pending trial. You could be ordered to take random drug tests as part of pretrial services or other conditions. The idea is that someone is watching out for you to keep you on track while your case is pending and make sure you show up for court. JSO officers handle pretrial services. In determining what an appropriate bond should be, the judge is supposed to take a whole range of things into consideration. For example, what are you charged with? What's your criminal record? Have you ever failed to appear in court before? Do you have ties to the community? Do you have a job? And are there other factors that would make you seem like a flight risk?